twist next week, too, a wild card instant save. On our results show on Wednesday, the judges will each pick an act from the live shows that hasn't made it through. Y'all will vote live during the show to save one of them and put that act into the AGT finals. So watch out for that vote next week. Tonight, we still don't know which two acts are going into the finals, but we're about to find out. Give it up for Chibi Unity, Shadow Ace, and Anna de Guzman. 3 acts. 2 will be going into the finals. 1 will be going home. Here we go. America has voted. The first act going into the finals is Chibi Unity! Wow! Simon, what do you want to say to him? What do you want to say, Simon?
What do I want to say? Congratulations, because you were brilliant last night, and this final, like we said, is getting better and better and better by the minute. Many, 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 many congratulations. You deserve it.
Thank you so much.
All right, you're in the finals. How does that feel?
We are so happy, and then thank you so much, Americans Got Talent. And then we will have something special for the final. Okay?
We will see you in the finals. Give it up for Chibi Unity. Two acts left for 1 spot. Shadow Ace and Anna de Guzman. Here we go. America has voted. The second act going into the finals is
that star right now, there is where magic happens. Your magic. See you in the final.
How you feel, Anna?
I think the next greatest magician is going to be a woman.
Anna, you made the AGT finals. So Chibi Unity and Anna de Guzman are in the finals. Next week, the last 11 acts.